Good morning, grade 1 students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to read chapter number 5 of your science book, and the name of our chapter is Materials Around Us. First of all, we will write date 9 December 2020 classwork and day Wednesday on the top of page number 53, 54 and 55. Material and its uses. Look around you. All the things we use are made up of different materials. Like a Tweety toy is made of fabric, a watering can is made of metal, a candle is made of wax, a newspaper is made of paper, a stool is made of plastic, a sweater is made of wool, and a glass is made of glass. Materials is a substance, S-U-B-S-T-A-N-C, substance. Substance is a matter or a material from which something can be made. So what is a material? A material is a substance from which something can be made. Everything around us is made up of different materials. These are rough things. R-O-U-G-H, rough, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Rough means not plain, not smooth. So bricks and rocks are rough things. Now we will move to the next page, page number 54. These are smooth, S-M-O-O-T-H, smooth. Stones, glass and wooden bench, these are smooth things. These are hard, H-A-R-D, hard, and heavy, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. These are hard and heavy things like wooden piece, chair and log. Log means a long piece of wood. So log, chair and wooden piece are hard and heavy things. These are soft and lightweight things. Stuffed, S-U-T-F-F-E-D, stuffed toy. Cotton balls and socks, these are soft and lightweight things. These are shiny, S-H-I-N-Y, shiny, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Shiny things reflect, R-E-F-L-E-C-T, reflect light. Reflect means to turn or throw back light upon something. Like coin, glass and silver can reflect light. So these are shiny things. Now we will move to the next page, page number 55. Uses of material. We can use many different materials to make things. We use different materials to make different things. Materials are of two types, like natural and N-A-T-U-R-L, natural, A-N-T, and M-N, man, M-A-D-E, made. So materials are of two types, like natural and man-made materials. The materials which came from plants, animals, or from under the ground are called natural materials. The material which we can get from natural sources like plants, animals, or from under the ground are called natural materials. Let's take a look at some of the following natural materials like wood, stones, oil and wool. These are natural materials and we can use these materials to make different things. The materials which are made by humans are called man-made materials. The materials which are made by humans are called man-made materials. We use these materials to make many things, such as the examples below, like clock, glasses, cup and bulb. A bulb is made of glass. A clock is made of glass and plastic. So we will use different man-made materials to make different things. We can use the same materials to make different things. Here are the things made from the wood, like chair, L-A-D-D-R, ladder, and door. Our door is made of wood. So we will make different things by using different materials. Materials are of two types, like natural and man-made material. The materials which we get from natural sources are called natural material, and the materials which we will get by human sources are called man-made materials. I hope students you will understand the topic very well. Now you have to read these 3 pages by yourself. If you have any problem, you can ask in comment box. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.